Hello everyone, welcome to Vasur Tarot Prediction. This is the reading for the month of June 2020 for Leos. Okay, since I am a Leo, so I really get excited when it comes to my reading. Okay, so we are going to do this reading on basically 4 different topics, that is romance, career, relationship and finance. Okay, so let's start for the same. But before that, I just want to tell you that kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Okay, for regular updates. Second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation and live sessions with the help of donation via PayPal and Google Pay, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to join me for the workshop, 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop online via WhatsApp video call and Skype video calls, you can definitely enroll for my session because many people are enrolling for the same. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to be a part of a soul giveaway, the details are given in the description box below. And also one more thing, there were a lot of requests I was getting for an affordable mini full reading. Okay, so we have introduced few different readings at an affordable price. Okay, so you can check out if you want to book one-on-one personal reading at an affordable price, mini full reading, oracle card reading, wisdom card reading, whatever reading you want at a reasonable and affordable price, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so you can check it out and you can book your session for the same. Okay, so this is for the people who who find who cannot afford much of the readings for this and who really wants to know about their future. Okay, so yeah, I'm happy to help. Okay, so if you want to be a part of my Facebook live session between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. daily, you can. Okay, this is the reading for the Leos and for the month of June 2020 on basically 4 topics: romance, career, relationship and finance. Let's check out what's going on with Leos. Okay, so I'm using 3 different decks since today I received one more new deck. So one is the original Rider Tarot deck, the second is Mind Body Makeover, the third is the Indian Tarot deck. Okay, so I'll be using all the 3 in our deck. Okay, so like in our reading. Okay, so let's check it out what's going on with me. Okay, and and kindly comment down below if you like this reading so that I can upload all more readings according to your reviews if you like this type of reading. Okay, on like all the 4 topics. Okay, so yes, if you will comment down below so that I'll be able to understand that what kind of readings you guys want from me. Okay, so yeah, for romance, the Death card; for career, the Moon; for relationship, 9 of Pentacles; and for career, Temperance. Wow. Okay, let me check it out. Your romance area, there's ending happening, internal transformation you are going through, Leos. Okay, internal transformation, internal healing, ending of something is happening definitely from your part. Okay, yes, you are holding back from something, from a romantic connection. Okay, you want some sort of communication with your romantic partner in your life, but there is some sort of holding back is there. Okay, I think you will be sharing a lot of let me get that particular word. Yeah, intimate moments. Okay, so you will be sharing a lot of intimate moments in this connection in the month of June. Okay, so you will be gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to your romantic love life. A sort of traveling or a sort of movement might take place. Ending, you are going through some internal transformation when it comes to this romantic love life. Okay, so yeah, some sort of ending is there, not ending of a relationship but ending of some bad toxic situation when it comes to this connection. Okay, so yeah, if you are holding back from this, then it is coming to an end. There is some sort of cycle is playing its role for sure. Okay, yeah, and you are gaining clarity when it comes to this connection, this romantic love life. Okay, now let's check out about your career. Okay, wow, some sort of secrets are coming on out, or you are understanding what are the particular things which you are going through, like you want. Okay, Okay, so yeah, if you were sad, depressed, worried about your career life, you were, you don't know what were you supposed to do. So some sort of justice is coming in the month of June. Okay, some justice will be served to you in your career life. Okay, if you were stressed about your money, if your money was stuck, if you were not feeling good, where to go, how to move forward, and then some sort of like, so I think, you will be a lot more focusing on your finances in the month of June. You will be more focused about, earning money, and a lot of you'll be gaining a lot of clarity. What are those particular things which you want from your life? Okay, what are the areas which you want to work towards? Okay, so you will be, focusing a lot in your finances, and especially in your career, how to move forward, what to do, and planning, plotting, implementing will be the, main part of in the month of June. Okay, yeah, and how to get clients, how to, start up the business, or how to initiate, how to do modification in the existing business, how to switch the job, which job will be suitable for you. So, a lot of new finances, like your career part has a lot of, focus on your finances, your stability, your materialistic world, your, the only thing is that, like, you should have a stable life, and that is what you are focusing on in your career life. Okay, that's the beautiful part. When it comes to your relationship, there's a lot of stability. Wow. So if your if your relationship was not stable in the last few months, and if you were, indecisive whether that person will come into your life or not, or if you were married and into separation, and if you were in a relationship and then into a separation, then, some sort of news, some sort of initiation is coming from your counterpart. Okay, and you will be gaining a lot of stability when it comes to your relationship. You are being right now indecisive when it comes to this connection. Okay, but I think, you are coming out of it. You are, releasing all this energy, stuck energy, when it comes to this connection. And I feel, a new opportunity is coming when it comes to your love life. If two people were married and in separation, if, you were in a separation of some sort, then coming together, reconciliation, reunion is taking place for you guys. Okay, because there is two of cups is all about reconciliation, reunion. It's a spiritually, divinely guided twin flame connection. Okay, the second most important thing, guys, is that if there are people who are single, okay, who are Leos and single, okay, they can enter into a love connection. Okay, proposal might come into their life, or else someone might propose them, someone might enter into their life. Okay, so yeah, a solid connection. Like, it's this month is good for Leos overall in the month of June, because it is all about, establishing yourself in your financial world, establishing yourself in your career world, establishing yourself in your relationship, or reconciling, reuniting with your near and dear ones if you were into a separation. So yeah, it is like good for overall energies. Okay, let me check it out what's going on with your finances. Okay, so you are being patient, waiting for something, being patient with your finances. Okay, yeah. So yeah, there was some karmic cycle which was playing its role. Okay, and that cycle is coming to an end in the month of June, and there is some long term, stability is coming finally. Like, if you were struggling from last 6 years, 7 years, 8 years in your finances, you were working hard and money was not coming, then a lot of new stability is coming when it comes to your materialistic world, stability when it comes to your finances. Lot of abundance is coming, because this karmic cycle, whatever, there was this instability was connected with the past life. Okay, so whatever instability you were going through, that cycle is closing now, and a new cycle is starting for you. Okay, and this cycle is all about, stabilizing yourself, establishing yourself, and getting a stable life in your finances, materialistic world, having a stable home, stable and secured life. Okay, so a lot of stability is definitely coming, and this will be long term. Like, there's a saying that if, things are coming very fast in our life at an early age, it may rush, like, it will go very fast, okay. And I think, this is coming after very long time. That means, you were waiting for a very long time for this stability, okay, from last 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, okay. And now a lot of stability is coming when it comes to your finances after so many years. So that means it will be on hold, like, it will not go eventually, it is there for a long time, okay. So guys, it's a very beautiful thing, okay. And yeah, you are manifesting it. See, in the bottom of the deck is, you are manifesting this stability in your finances. You are manifesting this connection also, this reconciliation also. You are manifesting money. So whatever was there was a divine timing which was playing its role, okay. So in the month of June, lot of, stuck energy, sadness, worries, whatever you had in the past, whatever struggle you went through, okay, all this is a part of a cycle, okay. And that cycle is coming to an end definitely, okay, this in the month of June. And you are manifesting all this abundance, money, materialistic world, which is really great, guys, okay. And you will be getting a lot of abundance in the month of June. Might be new clients, new collaborations, new projects. And if your money was stuck somewhere, it might be coming out, okay. So a lot of new stability, abundance, money related things might happen in the month of June for you guys, okay. So yeah, this is a general reading. If this resonates, is good. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, because it might resonate with, might be it resonate with 2% of the people out there, or else if it might resonate with 80% of the people out there, okay. So take it however it resonates, take it whichever path suits you the best, and you are whichever area you want to know about romance, career, relationship and finance, okay. So, and leave the rest, okay. So yeah, let me pull out few healing cards from the mind body makeover cards, okay. 3 universal healing messages from the universe, okay. I'll be picking up randomly. You have a beautiful reading in the month of June, guys, okay. So yeah, it's really good. Okay, so I have pulled out 2 cards and the 3, okay. Then I'll be pulling out rest of the cards, of course. Okay, so the first message is for healing message for goals. The only way others can get to know my true self is to talk from my heart. Whatever you are speaking, speak it from your heart, okay. The second healing message from the universe for goals is that I now observe my life from a broad objective perspective, so I can give birth to healthier relationships and career situations. Beautiful message. The third message for healing sadness, okay. I now effectively communicate the clarity in my mind to everyone around me. Whatever is in your heart, speak up. That's what universe wants to tell you that, okay. Sorry for the disturbance, guys, okay. So yeah, and yeah, let's pull out few cards from the Sacred Indian Tarot. This is the new one which I ordered, okay. So yeah, I'll be reading it from a book because this is the new cards, and this is according to Indian astrology, and I'm not that much I haven't checked it yet, okay. So let me check it out. What are the 3 messages universe wants to tell you, okay. The Empress, the High Priestess, Shakti. This is an Indian mythology, okay, guys. So yeah, and the Judgment, okay. Let me pull I'm reading it from this book, okay. So yeah, okay, guys, let me tell you what's going on with it. Okay, the Empress is all about fertility and creativity. That means that universe wants you to be more creative in your work, whatever you are feeling to do, okay. The High Priestess is all about mysteries, hidden meanings, okay. So universe wants to tell you that if there is a sort of hidden truths, hidden mysteries. Okay, so reveal it, think about it, and you will get all your answers with the same. Okay, and the Judgment. You are going through some spiritual awakening you are going through. Okay, change of a position in life or outlook. Okay, so whatever perspective you had about your life, you're going through some a change of the outlook. Okay, and which is very true, because you have the world already in your cards. Okay, and you also have a the world card over here as well. Okay, so your perspective is about to change into your life. Okay, which is which will create a positive impact into your life, which will be really good, guys. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vasool Tarot Prediction. And if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me at an affordable price, check out in the description box below. And if you wish to donate, the details are given for the donation in the description box below, guys. Okay, bye guys. Thank you so much.